Muraibu ense ya South Africa Cyril Ramaphosa nigo aikirana ase ense ya Kenya asariganirwa no muraibu ense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto imeyo nyomba y'oburai ya State House imeyo mochi o Nairobi gokwana omuraibu ense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigo aine kibuna okoigwana gwatokire egati ense ya Kenya na boigo South Africa asonde bwensi oragania gochigotarira enseria taganiri gotwara visa aya nigo abaga koene kigwano omuraibu ense ya South Africa Ramaphosa oyote babuna omurubiri yo nigo rachigo chakwa bene omwaka ogocha 2023 omutenyi o January.
On behalf of the people of Kenya, I express Kenya's appreciation on the progress we have made in the long-awaited visa-free regime between Kenya and South Africa. From January 1, Your Excellency, we will have a different regime, thanks to your personal intervention on this matter and the wealth of experience that have been brought on board by your officials.
This dispensation will commence on the 1st of January in 2023, and that our officials will speed up the processes of putting this into effect, and that this dispensation will be available to Kenyans for a 90-day period in a given year, meaning that, yes, can use the 90 days, 10 days, 20 days, or whatever. For the full year, Kenyans will have a full 90 days.